Hi, Tony Shives coming to you from All Things Automotive. Today we're going to talk about the differences between synthetic and conventional oils. I'd like to start with letting you know your owner's manual should tell you what is recommended for the car, the correct weight. Should it be synthetic? Should it be conventional? If you're a folk who only drives 3,000 miles a year, well, then conventional oil, you should change your oil at least once a year anyhow, but conventional probably makes more sense for you. If you're someone who puts a lot of miles on, you're traveling, put 30,000 miles a year on, then synthetic's going to make a little more sense for you. You can go longer driving times, longer distances with synthetic. It is a little bit more costly, but you get the added benefit of the additional miles and less time stopping in and seeing us. Any other questions, give us a call here at All Things Automotive, 717-485-4224. Thank you.